Hello guys, this video is we're going to do a mukbangs. Mukbangs with the Applebee. I don't know what it's called. This finger foods, right? So we have waffle fries. Is this called waffle fries, right? Waffle fries, honey.
Yeah.
Waffle fries and chicken. This is the chicken, the boneless one.
Yeah.
The garlic. Ew.
Yeah.
It's fine.
You're-
And
It wasn't coated because
my favorite one, a pretzel. And I have lots kind of sauces, spicy ranch and mixed ranch, and I don't know what's the other one. The lasagna
Mixer
sauce.
Ranch.
Huh?
Mixer Ranch.
Mixed ranch and ranch
And marinara.
and marinara sauce. And then my ano pa? What is called that? Celery.
Yeah.
That's it, everyone. Dig, 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 dig. Yahoo! Kainan na. Bawal, pero paminsan-minsan lang. Fries, it's not good for me. And ako lang po ang kakain kasi hindi pwede. Hindi po pwede kumain. Hindi po pwedeng kakain yung aking husband. Kasi hindi siya po kumakain ng mga carbs. Carnivore siya po. Carnivore siya. Palawang ganang. I like this container. I'm gonna keep this container. I like ranch. So, mag-ano tayo with ranch. Oh my gosh. Try natin to. Ang chicken. Oh. Parang mahuhulog. Oh. Ganito kahirap kumain sa car kapag nagbi-video ka pa. Are you sure?
Sure. Why not? You can eat the whole thing?
Yeah. Not the whole thing.
Okay.
I think the fresh is good to the mixed ranch. I don't know.
Whatever.
Or marinara.
That's your choice.
No?
I don't think the marinara.
The marinara is for the pretzel. Try natin ang marinara sauce sa pretzel. The pretzel, look at that. Perfect.
Comment?
Namin. Oh. You do not give it napkin. All there is purple. Sarap. Sarap. I like the chicken with the ranch. I'm gonna keep eating there.
What about the mixer ranch?
I'm gonna try the mixed ranch, sorry. With the chicken, huh? Hello, uy, sarap ka. Okay, the mixed ranch. Try natin yung taste good. Eto na yung ating mixed ranch. Mixed ranch is just like Thousand Island. sauce. But it's a ranch.
It's not excess spicy.
They're good. But I like the
ranch.
ranch. Even the celery. I like the ranch. That's it, guys. Kain na ako. Bye! Ang Juan eh.